Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the images to work on. Flag or rate them so you don't lose track. Once selected, right-click and choose Edit in right arrow open as Smart Object in Photoshop so edits remain non-destructive. Make sure Lightroom export settings match your workflow. Full size, 16-bit, and Pro Photo RGB if you plan heavy color grading. This preserves dynamic range and lets Photoshop read layers correctly. Now send the files and switch to Photoshop for pixel-level adjustments. In Photoshop, work on the smart object that Lightroom opened. That keeps the original RAW data accessible. Do precise retouching, healing, clone, frequency separation, then add adjustment layers for color and contrast so you can toggle changes quickly. Use layer masks for targeted corrections and leverage Camera Raw filter for final raw adjustments if needed. When finished, choose Save, not Save As. That writes back a TIFF or PSD and updates the image in Lightroom so you can continue. Once you save in Photoshop, return to Lightroom and you'll see the edited file alongside the original. Lightroom reads the saved PSD/TIFF and stacks it with the RAW. From there, apply final global or local adjustments. Crop, sharpen, export presets, and output your master file. If the edited file doesn't appear, make sure Photoshop actually saved to the catalog folder. If needed, right-click the missing photo in Lightroom, choose Find Missing File, and relink the PSD/TIFF. That resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.